You gotta walk with me.
I'm walking.
I want you to see. I want you to feel it.
Walking down that line. Oh, I feel it. I feel it, but I'm gonna feel it from back here too.
You heard me?
What?
You know that bitch sideways too.
Oh, yes. All right. Yeah, get the long version.
I want you to get the full.
Yeah, full effect. Yeah.
Did you rack it?
Nah, it ain't loaded yet. You ain't got to be that close. Shit.
I know. Shit pop back out.
Hey.
It's already caught.
Nah, go ahead.
I think it is. Look.
The safety. On top.
Turn it off. Yeah. Hey.
It should be red, right?
Huh?
It's red, right?
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Chamber running around. There you go.
Right.
There you go.
Ready?
You can rob him at his house.
Ah! Shit! Ah.
Did you hit it?
Turn around with it.
Woo!
FOMO?
Oh.
Don't edit this shit either.
Yeah, no editing.
Oh, fuck.
And jack off hand too.
Yeah.
Fire, fire.
Oh, he took a piece off with that. I seen that. Shoot at the body.
Huh?
Shoot at the body.
Shoot the head.
Yeah, shoot that head. Nah, shoot the body.
That shit's metal. What if it hit me in my shit?
Back up. Shit.
Okay. Fire, fire, fire.
There you go.
Oh, yeah.
He dead. Take his head off.
In the guts.
Go for the head.
Yeah, go for the head.
Up.
He four-eyed anyway, man. Shoot them glasses off.
Huh?
He four-eyed. Shoot them glasses off.
Nigga, this shit is fucking. I'm about to throw my glasses off. Shit. Yeah, motherfucker, you talking that shit? I heard you.
There we go. Alright. Shoot the other one at that slot machine right there.
He won.
How many was that, man?
I think that's like 3 or 4.
We got one more, right?
One more. Dude, act like he getting punished.
Huh?
You act like you getting punished. Come on. One more. Yeah. You got one more? Check it. Hey, check and see if it's clear. Yo. Maybe not.
Nigga, my hand's shaking, nigga.
Is it clear or you got one more?
I'm gonna try this last one.
All right.
Woo!
That was it?
Done. Done, nigga.